What's going on, folks? I want to thank you guys for coming on board. And before I start this video, I definitely want to thank a few people for the help, the tutorship, the mentoring, and all this good stuff. I want to thank AB. I want to thank Sharp Bait. I want to thank Les Lockhart. I want to thank Chandler, and I want to thank Trent. And there's many others that were on board to help me with catching these fish. You'll see the pictures. Awesome video, awesome time. Pier fishing is something that I really like. Let's go, guys. Let's get to fishing. Watch this.
Bigger one.
Think?
I think it's a bigger one.
Oh, it was a bigger one. You should have heard it running.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, Slow VX Service Outfits. We come to educate, entertain, and equip you to be a better angler. Ah. You good, man? You good? Albino. Oh my gosh, that's a big one.
It's a house there, Leroy.
Ah! Jeez! He's a house!
That's a house!
You got you a big one, Leroy. Look at him.
Watch your tip,
Watch your tip, watch your
Put
tip.
the rod all the way down, straight down. Reel down, as far as you can.
Almost. Yeah, she's not, no, a little bit more. I'm under that side, right here. I got you, baby. I got you, baby. I fucking got you, Leroy. You can't mess with a netting king. Yep, grab that side, grab this side. Big fish. Big fish. Pass it up. Big fish. Big. Oh my God. Look, I struggled to get him in there. Oh my God. No way. No Leroy, where did you get that fish? Barely. Oh. 47.